Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to talk about the sensors what is present in the Realme 5S device. So if you're new to my channel, Sai Tech Guru, subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll be posting a lot of information and a lot of comparison reviews and in-depth reviews as well. So if you want to know more about the Realme 5S or any other smartphone which I reviewed in my channel, you can check the playlist in the description. So where I've done a lot of information and a lot of comparison reviews about other smartphones. So you can check the links in description, guys, for that. And now let me get started with the sensor test in the Realme 5S device. So let me show you exactly what variant I'm using in this video. So as you can see here, so this is a variant which I'm using in this video. So let me open the application CPU Z application, which I'll be using in all my videos. So you can see here the Snapdragon 665 processor and screen size and screen resolution and internal storage and Android version, battery, and here comes the sensor. So here you can check clearly what are the sensors present in the Realme 5S device. So accelerometer, proximity sensor, magnetometer and gyroscope, as you can see here, guys. And the proximity sensor works fine, there is no problem with that. So overall, these are the list of sensors which are present in the Realme 5S device. So this is a quick and short review about the Realme 5S device, guys, what are the sensors present. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru. I'll be posting a lot of interesting videos and tests on the Realme 5S and a lot of the smartphones in the future. See you in the next video, guys. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.